Most people think flexibility means pushing deeper, longer hamstring stretches, more splits, and more pain. But what if I told you that's actually what's blocking your flexibility? In today's video, I'll explain anatomy-based facts about flexibility. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First asana is Supta Padangushthanasana. We will lie down on the back. Both legs are extended. Now we will bend the right leg. Place a strap, a yoga belt or a dupatta around the ball of your foot. Now we will extend the right leg towards the ceiling. The left leg will be grounded and extended. Now hold the strap lightly. Do not pull. We are going to actively engage the quadriceps and the hip flexors to lift the leg instead of just using the strength of the hands. Lower halfway down and then lift again. Now what this will do is, this is going to strengthen the iliopsoas and the rectus femoris, and it is also going to lengthen the hamstring muscles. This active engagement is going to build in the quads, and it will also signal the hamstrings to release safely via reciprocal inhibition. The next asana is Anjaneyasana. From the tabletop, we will get the right foot forward and your left knee will be in low lunge. Now stack the right knee over the ankle. The back toe can be tucked or untucked, whatever you feel is comfortable. Now we will engage the left glute and also slightly rotate the right knee outside, and we will push the hip forward. Now make sure you keep your core active and the spine tall. Avoid collapsing the lower back. Now breathe here. For a deeper stretch, you can squeeze the left glute. Now this is going to strengthen the gluteus maximus, and also it is going to lengthen the hip flexors, the psoas and the rectus femoris of the back leg, that is the left leg. Now engaging the glutes provides stability for the pelvic, allowing deeper hip extension without lumbar compression. The next asana is a flow from Utkatasana to Uttanasana. We will stand with the hip width apart feet. Now we are going to inhale, bend the knee, and we will sit as if we are sitting on a chair, getting into Utkatasana. Now keep the weight in the heel, the chest is lifted and the thighs are active. Now we will slowly hinge forward from the hip and slowly get into Uttanasana. Now we will move between these two rounds for 5 to 8 rounds and with awareness. Now this is going to eccentrically increase the hamstrings. So from the Utkatasana to Uttanasana. It is also concentric working on the quadriceps as you rise up into Utkatasana. So this control movement is going to teach the hamstrings to lengthen under the load. Ardha Pincha Mayurasana. Begin on the hands and the knees. Now the lower forearm to the mat and elbows are shoulder width apart. Tuck the toes and lift the hip up like an inverted V. We will press the forearms down, draw the shoulders away from the ears, and we are going to engage the core. Do not let the shoulders loose, keep it engaged. We will hold here for 5 breaths and then we will rest into child pose. Now this is going to strengthen the deltoids, the rotator cuff muscles and the serratus anterior, which is very important muscle for all the arm balances. It is also going to lengthen the latissimus dorsi, hamstrings and the calf. The next asana is the Setu Bandhasana variation. We will lie down on the back and the feet are hip width apart. Now we are going to tuck the tailbone in, press the feet firmly on the mat, and we are going to lift up. Now from here you can stay here or you can also lift one leg up. Now this is going to strengthen the gluteus maximus hamstring and the pelvic floor muscles and the deep core muscles. Now it is going to stabilize the pelvic floor muscles because you need this stability, and it is also engaging the deep core muscles. This builds a posterior chain strength and also give your spine and hip the support it needs for back bends. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new and you were able to figure out how strength and flexibility go hand in hand. So next time when you do your practice, try to incorporate all these small points to make your practice more meaningful and more result oriented. Also share this video with your friends and family, whoever does yoga practice, जिनको yoga practice और थोड़ा सा अपनी knowledge deep करनी है, more meaningful बनानी है अपनी practice को, उनके साथ जरूर share कीजिए. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते and take care. And don't forget to subscribe.